I think you were kind of surprised at one point when you first went on them. The voice in your head doesn't go away, right? Like if you had a bad day at work, it's still going to suggest to you to go get the pretzels out of the pantry. But what was the benefit of these medications for that? You had shared it in, I think, our wrap-up call, where you said, now I feel like I can actually kind of do this thing we have talked about because I have that pause. How does it look different? The voice shows up, and how do you handle it differently now?
Well, I think because the medicine kind of works in both ways. It quiets down the food noise, but like you said, it's not silent. Like, that's still a very ingrained habit to self-soothe with eating. So it still does come up. But because it's a little bit quieter, and because of the slowing of the gastric emptying, and how it, for me, physically hurts to overeat. Like it hurts my stomach to do it. So there's like an immediate consequence if I do. So, and I've done it a few times, overate on this medicine. So, I don't want to do that. So that's what gives me pause, remembering the pain of what it feels like to overeat, plus the quieting of the food noise a little bit, kind of gets me to go, wait a second. What do I need to do? I need to do something else, and I just couldn't quite get that pause to happen before.
Yeah. Yeah. And that was a huge growth for you, because we had talked about that. A lot of the struggle you had with getting your weight loss really consistently going down was there was always an emotional thing that would happen, whether it was feeling like, hey, I've got to clean up after dinner and I'm exhausted and I just want to crash on the couch, or it was a difficult day at work, or you're having something you're working on with your son, or if it was like when you're struggling trying to get everything done for this test you were going to take. And so the immediate response, like without hesitation, was to eat something. And then upon reflection, you're like, okay, I should have taken that time out. I should have paused there, but I wasn't able to do it. These medications help slow that down enough that you were able to start to really work on that for yourself. And that was a huge growth.
Yes. Yes.